I'm Dr. Craig Popp. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon. I've been practicing since 1998. I actually grew up in Southern California. I enjoy sailing, did some racing. I have two nephews that I like to follow, water polo, trying to take up more fishing type activities to be more of a Floridian. That's where I spend most of my time. I always enjoyed the continuation of care that you get with spine patients. These individuals become part of your group, and you see them on a regular basis because you get to know the people in this community quite well. I'd like to see the positive results. It feels good when the patients are doing well, and most do well. Spine patients are interesting. They could have some difficulties, but I like to know what's going on. I'd like to know what other things may be influencing their problems. Do they have hip problems? Do they have other things? And the most satisfying thing to me is actually when I find something else that might not be spine related, and I've had a significant influence on their life in another way.